Welcome to Moon Evans' studio. Today, we'll start a portrait sketch together. My process begins with painting a base layer using burnt umber. Once the rough sketch is complete, I'll add titanium white to identify the brightest areas before introducing colors. If you're interested in learning more about classical portrait drawing, here are 3 books I highly recommend. The Human Figure by Vanderpoel. This book provides an excellent breakdown of the structure of human faces and bodies. Lessons in Classical Drawing by Juliette Aristides. Packed with detailed explanations and valuable insights, it's a must-read. Figure Drawing Atelier, an instructional sketchbook by Juliette Aristides. This beginner-friendly book encourages practice and includes step-by-step instructions. Remember, it's just a piece of paper or canvas. If it doesn't work out, you can always start fresh. The best materials are the ones that get you painting. I use a variety of brushes, including hog, bristle, and synthetic ones, depending on the effect I want to achieve. When starting, I like to create a value map to establish brightness and darkness before adding color. A value map simply means deciding where the darker and brighter areas will be before you start painting. Grouping values into 3-5 categories makes the process more manageable. Nature has an infinite range of values, but in oil painting, it's impossible to capture every detail. That's why we purposefully simplify by selecting 3-5 value groups, placing similar tones within each group. For features like the nose and mouth, it's best to curve them out. Begin with the shadows, then softly curve the lights around them. Pay special attention to creating soft edges, especially for the mouth. If you find it challenging to soften edges, try using a fan brush. Gently brushing over the area a couple of times creates a natural blurring effect. At the final stage, focus on adding details to bring your painting to life. Don't worry about making it perfect. Art is as much about the process as the result. Enjoy the journey. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.